Based on this interview I just watched with Gary Sider Sr.'s attorney, Dorian Baum, I can tell that they're going to make an argument for Gary Sider Sr., saying that he was somehow disabled or not fully aware of what was going on.
Immune to the commentary that's been online. Some of it has been particularly cruel to my client, which, look, I can't force the internet to be more kind. However, just by looking at him, my first impression is I have concerns about his competence. I have concerns about his mental health. I have concerns about his ability to assist in his own defense. These are all things that are uh, bedrock conditions you need to move forward in any case.
This interview was from one day ago, and at that point, Dorian Baum, Gary Sider's attorney, hadn't actually met him yet in person. He was basing his assumptions of Gary off of the clips we saw in the courtroom. Given some other news articles I've read and then this interview with Gary Sider's attorney, it is obvious that he's also going to make a claim that the internet has made this news story widespread and that it's going to be very hard to find a very objective jury. Finding 12 jury members in the state of Ohio that aren't aware of this case already is going to be very difficult. And based on the lack of response in this quick video clip of both Garys, it is very obvious that they're not fully aware of what was going on.
As a preliminary matter, are you okay with doing this by Zoom today? Are you okay with doing this through the computer today? All right.
When they were asked by the judge, are you guys okay with participating in this courtroom via Zoom? They had no idea what Zoom even was. Although I don't think it's justified, I think the easiest case that their attorneys are going to make is that both Garys are somehow disabled or mentally not all there. And that is essentially how they ended up in the living situation that they were in.